Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Oriel Morrison-Higgins and I'm joined now by Troy Brice, the Managing Director of Lightning Minerals. Troy, welcome. Great to have you with us today.
Thank you very much.
Now, great time, exciting time for you guys. You've just completed a strategic restart. You're now focused squarely on gold and tungsten in Australia. Can you give us a bit of an update?
Yeah, it's been quite the sprint. It's now my first quarter with Lightning Minerals, and we've essentially redesigned the company from the inside out. We've got a new team that's integrating particularly well with our consultants and our operators of our Queensland projects and the like. But starting back at the end of March when I joined, the initial approach was to reassess what have we got and where can we go and what's the immediate, value creation pathways we can take the company to. So we reset the strategic direction on gold, lead, copper as a medium-term value creator, and tungsten has emerged as this bonus commodity that at the right time, market-wise, but also in the geographic region which we're based in far north Queensland. So during this last 3 months, we've done 4 field exploration programs, which is a really fast pace. The guys have just got back from leave to start the next round. And with University of New South Wales petrology report, which really helped define and strengthen our geological model of that Mt Turner region in North Queensland for gold and copper in particular. Also, we've really advanced Warby, our tungsten project. We were initially sourcing or searching for some initial reconnaissance work for gold, and we discovered some old World War I tungsten pits, some shallow ones back from the early 1900s, and we've taken that through 2 exploration programs now to define. We're about to release more assays on those results, so it's looking really good, and that's in the very near vicinity of the nearby Mount Carbine tungsten mine, which is a great operation, about 130 k's as far as the crow flies, and we can't wait to get the next round of programs.
It's a good time to be in tungsten too, isn't it? I mean, we just had Andrew Forrest backing a Queensland tungsten miner for $190 million. So the current environment is pretty positive for Warby.
It is, and that's the nearby one with EQ Resources that we're a cousin to there. But all the other tungsten mine in Australia is in King Island, and they've just relisted an old operation there that they're rebirthing, if you like, and they've done particularly well. It's going to be a great product addition to Australia's resource economy. So in that space, and we're very early stages, but the interest in that project has been beyond our expectations, and really quite a lot of unsolicited approaches to us. But we will now explore that and work towards first drilling there in Q2 next year.
So this is great. It's all very positive moves forward there, Troy. You talked about Mount Turner a little bit earlier on. If we look ahead slightly, you're just about to have some diamond drilling start. In fact, that will start this month. What would a great result look like to you?
It'll be the foundation of our maiden mineral resource estimate for gold there. This is a very surgically targeted, just a half a dozen holes, diamond core at Mount Turner on the Drummer Fault line in between some existing historical pits from the 1980s. They're only about 20 metres deep. We're going about 120 below both of those for some infill verification of that ore body and the mineralisation extent there. So that piece, we hope to be able to announce a mineral resource estimate for Mount Turner maybe Q2 next year, and then one probably following up shortly thereafter, and with the ultimate aim of about 3 gold MREs. Then we've got copper being explored concurrently there, because Mount Turner has this very strong porphyry system. We've now got a good handle on the geological model. It's sizing up to be quite the resource itself. So gold, lead, copper is our medium term, and then to the side, just 100 k's away, we've got our tungsten project as well.
So as part of this strategic reset, Troy, you're also divesting some assets. So your international assets, your Canadian assets, your Brazilian assets, you're divesting those.
We are indeed. We're in the last phases of those transactions, and the government regulatory actions need to be done in Canada and Brazil, which are never straightforward processes. It takes some time. So we're a few months in motion on that, days away, if not weeks away at the most, for closing that out. That frees up a lot of cash for us for reinvestment back in our priority projects. That probably adds up, plus our those savings, plus the corporate overhead savings we've done to date, to about $900,000 per annum, which would otherwise be going offshore. Now we can put into our Australian T1 targets.
Excellent. Well, you've certainly got a busy time there, another busy quarter ahead. Troy, thanks so much for taking the time to chat to us today.
Thank you very much.